So the third and final way we can use our essential oils is as a food flavoring or internally inside our body. Now this is not common for all essential oils, mostly because they often have fillers or other things added to them, but about 80% of our range is actually safe to use as a food flavoring or internally, if that's what you want to call it. So just be clear, it will actually say on the side of the bottle if it's safe. So here on the side of the lemon it says, for food flavoring, dilute 1 drop in food or liquid, store in a cool dry place. So it's very clear on the side of the bottle whether it's safe or not. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate here. It's as simple as literally just grabbing yourself some water, and I'm just going to drop a drop of lemon oil in there, and that's a fantastic way to have flavored water. So any of our citrus are really beautiful added to our water bottle. One little tip, just make sure that you add it to glass or to stainless steel, because oils like lemon can actually break down the cheaper plastics, and then you'll be actually drinking it. So tastes amazing. We also have a range of products that come in capsules, all right? So there's a lot of essential oils that are in our capsules, and you can also buy veggie caps and make up your own little tonics to support your physical health if that's something you choose to do. It's not something I do a lot, but I know my mum and dad do it an awful lot, and a lot of our essential oils are already made up in ready-made capsules as well. The other way I use essential oils internally, either in the water or in a capsule, is I will use them for food flavoring. So something like basil oil or oregano oil, I can add it to olive oil and flavor my food that way. I'll add it to things like protein balls. So peppermint in my protein balls or wild orange in my protein balls is delicious. Great way to flavor the food for the kids. Things like On Guard in water to soak my apples, stops them growing brown, and my kids love the taste. There's so many ways that we can use them as a food flavoring or internally to support our physical health. So the final and third way to use our essential oils is as a food flavoring or internally.